See, this is the hello everyone. Welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more international mocktail. Mocktail name is strawberry Mojito. It's very fancy, refreshment mocktail. You can try how to make strawberry Mojito mocktail. First of all, take a tall glass or any type of fancy glass. Then you have to add 8 to 10 mint leaf into the glass. Then first of all, muddle all the mint leaf with the help of Okay, after that what you will do, you have to add some, this is the lime chunks or lime wedges you can use for this mocktail, then add some lime wedges, then you can add some sugar syrup or simple syrup, and you have to add that mojito syrup, 10 to 15 ml of mojito syrup. After that, you will just muddle all the ingredients properly. Okay, after that simply you have to okay, follow. Then you have to add the crushed ice. Okay, for this mocktail you have to add lots of crushed ice. Then you can add some strawberry crush. Okay, after that you have to pour. See, before you have to stir all the ingredients with the help of bar spoon. Yes. That's it. Then simply you have to add soda. See how the fancy color came. Then you have to serve the mocktail with, garnish with, okay, and serve straw and see, and decorate the mocktail with scissors, and you can garnish the mocktail with, see, this is the strawberry mojito mocktail. You can try the refreshment mocktail. This is the very fancy mocktail you can try. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope